Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video series we will see how we can create a custom service and also how to implement a AIDL communication between a service and an application. So this will be made as a video series which will be having multiple parts. So this will be the first video of that series. So in this video we will see how we can create a service, and at the start, like the booting of the OS, we will make the service run. So that will be the first part of this video. So we will see how that can be done. So as always, this will be created in the vendor section of our workspace, and we will see the steps. Okay, so this is my current workspace, Android 13 folder. So we will go and see the current project structure of this already existing system applications. So packages, so you could see in the packages there are apps and services. So in here we could see different services used by this created from the ASFP platform itself, which is already existing. So here we can see why I'm showing you this, to understand the general directory structure of this workspace. So as you can see, there is packages, apps and services. So mostly all our HMI application which user will interact will be here on the app section, and mostly whatever services which doesn't have a user interaction part, that will be kept in here only. So we will follow the same directory structure here. So in our vendor, this is our product, we have the same packages, apps and services. So many of you already know this project structure from my previous video. So I have already created some application as well. So we'll start creating one application from the start, and we will use this Android Studio for platform to importing the particular project, and with the use of this Android Studio we will configure our workspace and proceed with the implementation. So this is the general directory structure of a Android ASFP project. We'll be having source, resources, any other resource component like AIDL. If some libraries you are trying to add, then there will be a libs folder. And to map all the source component, we are using one Android blueprint file. In this blueprint we will configure our Zoom build structure for that particular application, and as always our manifest, which will be contain all the application component details and the permission, basically whatever the application contains, that will be manifested there. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy this project and I will paste this project, and I will rename this thing to a demo service. Okay, basically I don't want to create a whole new project for this thing. We will reuse the components which will already existing there. Okay, so what I will do, I will import that as a ASFP project. So already that repo checkout path lunch target is 1. So I have to add the newly created application as a module path. So my demo service is there. I'm adding that one. So project name demo service that I'm giving, finish. So it's building up my source tree. Okay, this is because we got a build failure. This is because I'm all copy pasted this structure from my previous application, right? So it's saying already in that name one application is existing. So what we will do, we will modify that thing and give a new name, demo service, and I'm deleting the unwanted things, but we will do that from the scratch so that you get a better understanding. Okay, so this is the basic structure of an application. If no other dependencies are there, we will mention our resource folder, our source folder, our manifest, and there will be a BP file to map all these things into our Zoom build system. So this is a application Android BP file which contain all these components such as name, the name of the module you are trying to build, and srcs, this property you have to mention where is your source source code contained. So as you can see, we can either go with our Java or Kotlin file. So I'll be doing the coding in the Kotlin, and the source directory SDK version satisfied to against which key it's going to build, and our manifest, which is this one, that path, and whether it's a privileged app, yes. System USD specific means it is will be created in the system USD partition of the system partition. Okay, and the other dependencies which this project need in order to build this thing. So the car UI lib, Android X app combat library, and the material library. So basically I will not be using any resource in this project because this is just a service, but since it's already there, I'm keeping that as it is. If you don't require, you can remove that thing. So since I have modified this Android BP file, the Android Studio has detected there was a change in the Android BP file, and that requires syncing of your project. So we will go ahead and sync our project now. So we started to build that module. Seems I have not saved. So it started to build now. Since it's building, we will do some adjustment. So we will change our directory structure. Since it is not HVAC service no more, we will change it to demo service, and all these classes I will delete, and manifest will be having all these things. I'm removing it. Okay, since I deleted these things in between, it's showing some error, so we'll go ahead and okay, done. So the first step we want to add is we want to start up our service at the beginning of the system boot up. Okay, so what we will do, we will go ahead and add the permission which we require to uh, detect the boot complete receiver. So we'll go ahead and use as permission type boot doesn't seems to work. Let me do one more sync here. Since all the dependency is cleared, now it should be able to sync properly. In order for this code completion to work, we need the sync to be perfect. Otherwise this will show so many errors, and also that code auto completion will not work. Okay, the sync is now completed. Let me check whether the autocomplete for this working, and this is permission. Yeah, okay, see that boot completed start coming up. So let's format this thing. Okay, that is done, and now I'm changing the package name to demo service. So that is done. PP, any other changes is there? No, it's okay. So the project configuration is done. We have added one permission to receive the boot complete broadcast, renamed our package directory for the packages. Same we have updated here, but if you see this directory structure here, even though we have done created the resource folder, source folder, manifest, all those things after the sync, it's not visible here. So what you have to do in this kind of situation is go to project structure, and you can see the modules, the dependency framework, and the module of your application. So in there you can see the generated project module, where they will show from where the generated code is taken, and our source module. So here there is no content root is added, so for that we have to go to this particular option and select the add content route option. From there you have to specify where is your source code for this module resides. So we will select packages, service, demo services, and OK. Then we will press apply and OK. Now if you open your module, you could see all those things listed down here. Manifest, all those things are here. Okay, so let's finish this video with the project configuration. From the next video onwards, we will start doing the coding. Okay.